Good morning, dear aspirants. To start with today's news, Regional Meteorological Center (RMC). So RMC said that there will be a deep depression over the southwest Bay of Bengal. Is likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm on Wednesday. So RMC is a specialized division under the IMD that oversees weather forecasting, data collection, and meteorological services. These centers play a very crucial role in monitoring weather conditions. And also it provides very timely information about the disaster management, aviation, agriculture as well as the public safety. The functions of RMC is, first thing is weather forecasting. They also provide in all level like short term, medium term, long term weather forecasting. And they will monitor cyclone, heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, severe weather monitoring. And data collection, and they collect meteorological data through a network of observatories, radars and satellites. And it provides aviation meteorology service including airport forecast and en route weather information for safe flight operations. Disseminate weather based advisories to farmers, and also it monitor the climate on regional basis. It also give awareness and campaign about weather preparedness and climate change to the public. So there are six RMCs: New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Guwahati, Nagpur and Mumbai. Socialism and secularism. In Indian Constitution, the very important key pillar and the features of our India, which comes to the limelight now, because Supreme Court Division Bench says that Chief Justice of India dismissed the players challenging the inclusion of the word socialist and secular in the preamble. So there is actually, when it comes to secularism, there are different perspective and meaning. But in Indian concept of secularism, there is no strict separation between state and religion. It emphasizes equal respect for all religion. So state actually recognize all religion. State actually accommodate all religion. So government is expected to treat everybody equally irrespective of their religion. So when it comes to individualism versus collectivism, focus on collective rights of religious communities and ensuring their cultural and religious practices are protected. So cultural context varumbodhu to develop a pluralistic society, and schools should also incorporate religious education. When it comes to Indian concept of socialism, the main focus is the emphasis on democratic socialism through equitable distribution of resources, and it involves an indicative planning model where the state indicates areas of cooperations. And for class struggle, the emphasis social justice and upliftment of marginalized community, and the state has a regulatory role and implement welfare schemes. So cornea, despite strong support for eye donation in India with millions, an acute shortage of corneas persists in our country. So that means need to perform 1 lakh corneal transplant every year, but only 30% of the need is being met here. The cornea is the clear outer layer at the front of the eye. It covers the pupil, which is the opening at the center of the eye, iris, the colored part of the eye, and the anterior chamber, the fluid filled inside of the eye. The cornea's main function is to refract or bend light. The cornea is responsible for focusing most of the light. Its specific shape play a key role in how your eyesight works and filters UV rays. Except at its margin, the cornea contains no blood vessel, but it also contains many nerves, which is very sensitive. Since there are no nutrient supplying blood vessel in the cornea, tears, in the anterior chamber provide the cornea with the nutrients. The curvature of the cornea, which is spherical in infancy. Okay. So now try to answer this question. What is the main role of socialism in India's mixed economy model, and what is astigmatism? Discuss the role of R&D in disaster management and agriculture. Highlight the importance of accurate weather forecast in mitigating climate risks and supporting rural livelihoods in India. So we introduce a prelims test series which will give you a great insights about the test series, and also we ensure that you will solve the MCQ and adopt the skill which is required to clear this exam. So thank you. Have a great day.